Hey there, be welcome to this short video tutorial regarding our TwinCAT Scope. In this video I would like to show you how easy it is to record drive access and how you can very quickly change all the channel names in a meaningful way. To represent this, I have already activated a TwinCAT configuration with 3 different drive access. These drive access are running now here in this project in the background, and I like to scope some data of them. The easiest way is to go back to the Solution Explorer, make a right click on one of the axes and choose in the context menu the Add to Scope command. Because we have no measurement project in our current solution, automatically opens the Create New Project wizard. There you can choose different measurement templates, or, as I recommend, the measurement wizard. The measurement wizard has the advantage that you can see exactly what happens next. With this kind of configuration, we automatically use our NC drive template and show a preview of the scope configuration. For sure, it is possible to add other variables manually here, but for me it is enough and I can directly create this configuration. So we add the measurement project and we can see now a chart is named axis 1 and all the variables are inside this chart. Now I easily can add the other axis by the context menu, and you see that now we blow up this configuration with 2 other charts. They are named axis 2 and axis 3. But the variables inside has the same name because on each axis we have ag position, ag velocity, and so on. To make this naming more clear, it gives an easy trick. Therefore, you can go to the scope node, make a right click, go to the context menu and choose the command change display name. There you see different levels what we providing you, which you can choose now. And maybe here in this case, it is enough to choose additionally the level 1, because the level 2 has no precise information. So we can disable this, say apply. And now all the different variables are renamed in the data pool, but also in the different charts for the display names. We can start a record and see now always from which axis all the different variables are. That it was. Thank you for watching. Have a great time. See you soon. Bye bye.